And in this clip, I'm going to show you how to make your own henna paste using the henna powder, which, as we said, was the Jamila, and lemon juice, and essential oils.
Just do that one more time.
Sure. With
on
the
one. With
sure.
the intro. I just adjusted the light a little bit there. I just want to make sure I have enough to take it.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Hello, this is Heather of expertvillage.com, and in this clip we're going to show you how to make your own henna paste using the henna plant leaves, which, as we said, was the Jamila, or any other pure henna plant leaves, and lemon juice, and essential oils. Okay, so our first step is going to just be to take the henna powder, which I've already cut the bag, and just put it in your bowl. As much as you need. The amount I've put in right here will easily do all of the people at a large party. That's about 50 grams of henna. And next, you put in some lemon juice. This is all done by eye. It's not really an exact science, so just watch carefully for the consistency that you're trying to get. You put a little lemon juice. It might not be quite enough at first, but then you mix it with the henna. And kind of try to get everything, at least get the lemon juice soaked up by the henna that you have there. And it's much better to put too little lemon juice at first than too much. So that's still very dry. We're just going to keep adding, little by little, more lemon juice, checking the consistency. It is good if you have a little extra henna powder on reserve so that you can adjust if you need to. It's much easier to add more lemon juice. So, starting to get sort of a doughy consistency. Gonna add some more. You never want to put so much lemon juice that it looks like the henna powder is just kind of like swimming in lemon juice. Just moderate amounts. This is starting to get pretty good, everything. Starting to look like a mashed potatoes kind of consistency. And that's actually a great consistency for this first step of mixing the henna. And what you would actually do if you were mixing henna on your own and not in a video clip, you would let this sit overnight. And then after it sits overnight, you would do the next step we're about to do now, which is to add some essential oils to the henna.